Hello aspirants, welcome to Enest. In our previous video, we talked about the GATE 2026 notification. As you all know, GATE 2026 exam would be conducted by IIT Guwahati this year. So get started with your preparation as the time is quite less. And today on 28th of August, the GATE application forms are out. It's high time for all of you to fill out the forms as soon as possible and get started with your preparation journey. If you are new to our channel, then do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos about different competitive exams and government exams. In this video, we would be discussing about the common mistakes that usually people do while filling out the GATE application form so that you don't do these mistakes and be safe in your application form. For this, we need to first go to the official website of GATE 2026. The official website over here is this gate2026.iitg.ac.in. Here, the application portal is live. You can click on application portal. Here in this portal, since we are a new user, we would not do login, we would be doing register. So you have to click on register here. You need to fill in your basic details, your first name, your middle name, if any, and surname. Now you can confirm. You need to put in your email address, country of residence, India, mobile number, the password, whichever you would like to add up, confirm password, click on register. Now the registration is successful. Read here, SMS and email containing your enrollment ID have been sent to you. You need to remember this ID for all the GATE 2026 related communication or website operations. So you would get an SMS and an email with your enrollment ID and all. So now we'll do login to complete our registration process. Before starting the GATE 2026 application, please ensure that you have read the information brochure. You have to read the entire information brochure and the documents that you would require while filling the application form. You can watch the video till the end and you will get what all application documents you would require to fill out these application form. And you can click the checkbox and start filling the GATE 2026 application form. Here, many of the students get confused with the number of test papers they're actually attempting for. 1 and 2 का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या है? So basically, अगर आप सिर्फ एक पेपर दे रहे हो, let's say आपको सिर्फ गेट एक्सेल का पेपर देना है, तो you just click on 1, ठीक है? यहीं पर सब्जेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशंस होते हैं बहुत सारे. अगर मान लीजिए आपको गेट एक्सी भी देना है और गेट एजी भी देना है, तो आप सब्जेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन में 2 नंबर ऑफ टेस्ट पेपर जो आपको अटेम्प्ट करने हैं वो 2 हो जाएंगे. यहाँ पर मुझे सिर्फ एक ही एग्जाम पेपर या एक ही टेस्ट पेपर देना है विच इज गेट एक्सेल. आप सब्जेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशंस देख सकते हो. विल पुट द सब्जेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन वाला एंटायर शीट ऑन द स्क्रीन फॉर यू. यू कैन चेक whether you are eligible to give that exam or not. Now यहाँ पर you can select your exam city center. We'll do it New Delhi. Second one as Greater Noida. Third one as, let's say, Gurgaon. We'll save and next. Now you can verify your email address. Click on verify email address and OTP would be sent on your email ID. Then verify mobile number. Then date of birth. You have to confirm the date, gender, nationality, category, whichever category you belong to, general, EWS, OBC. Make sure बहुत सारे students यहाँ पर गलती करते हैं. While form filling, they don't apply for any category. अगर आपका OBC, NCL है, SC है, ST है, general EWS है या general है, जो भी आपका category है, at the time of application form filling वो सही भरिए, because when you're going for counseling and all, tab you don't have the opportunity to change your category or update your category status and all. तो please make sure यहाँ पर आप सही अपना category डालो. Person with disability, your permanent residence, valid ID proof, name of parents or guardian, parent या guardian के साथ what is the relationship, nationality of the guardian, mobile number. Now you can save and click on next. Now you have to put in your address. save and next. Now the degree that you have done, college का पिन कोड, कॉलेज कहाँ पर सिचुएटेड था, देन रोल नंबर, जो भी आपका रोल नंबर रहा होगा। तो यहाँ पर एक नोट भी दिया है, प्लीज इंश्योर दैट यू फिल द रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर और रोल नंबर एज पर योर इंस्टीट्यूट या कॉलेज आईडी। कॉलेज आईडी में जो रोल नंबर या रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर दिया है वो आपको यहाँ पर फिल आउट करना है, या आपको गेट 2026 का जो एनरोलमेंट आईडी है वो यहाँ पर फिल नहीं करना। क्वालिफाइंग डिग्री आपकी क्या थी? लेट्स से बीटेक, बीएससी, एमएससी, और सॉरी नॉट बीएससी बट यस डुअल डिग्री है। व्हाट वाज योर डिग्री? सो माइन वाज बीटेक। डिसिप्लिन ऑफ क्वालिफाइंग डिग्री मतलब एग्रीकल्चर था, फूड टेक्नोलॉजी था, एरोस्पेस था, या जो भी आपका रहा होगा डिग्री क्वालिफाइंग, दैट यू कैन पुट ओवर हियर। Have you graduated in the above degree? Graduation हो गया है तो yes, if not then no. Yes. In which year? 2023 let's say. Degree awarding university या institute name. University का नाम आप लिख सकते हैं and यहाँ पर college का नाम you can find that out. You can click on save and then next. Now here you have to put in your documents. Documents में क्या क्या चाहिए एक बार ध्यान से देख लीजिए। Colored photograph is required. Your signature is required. Your photo ID. Photo ID is जो भी आपने valid ID proof यहाँ पर डालना है. Let's say आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, passport. Any of these can be accepted. So upload all of these documents. Once you've uploaded all the documents that were required, then you have to fill how did you come to know about GATE 2026 exam. Let's say poster, internet search, social media, or whatever it was. So yeah. What is the purpose of applying for GATE 2026? Higher study, PSU job या preparation of exam. So let's say I want to go for higher study. Now, अब आप क्या कर सकते हैं? You can view your application, you can review and submit your entire application form. At the end, you have to fill out the declaration form. Declaration just checkbox you have to tick, and you need to pay the fees. And after the fee payment, your application form is done. So make sure you fill out the GATE 2026 application form before the deadline. Deadline that is 28th of September. 28th of September is the last date to fill out your application form. It's better as early as possible you fill out your application form and get going with your preparation. And yes, if you are preparing for GATE XC, GATE XL or GATE AG examinations of GATE 2026, then you can always join Enest, formerly Aggravation for You. Our batches are live now. You can get exclusive discounts and yes, do get started with your preparation. I wish all the students all the best for GATE 2026 examination. Further on, more such videos on GATE 2026 would be there. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content. Thank you. Bye-bye.